Let's dive into some seriously slick layer management techniques to make your After Effects workflow sing. First, let's get organized. We've got a composition filled with layers, and things are already getting a little messy. This is where knowing how to cut down those layers is key. It streamlines your editing process and just keeps you from spiraling. Right now, each layer likely extends the entire duration of your composition, right? No worries, we can fix that. Let's tackle the trim method. This is the quickest trick in the book. Position the playhead to where you want the layer to begin by clicking on the timeline. Grab your keyboard shortcuts and select the layer you want to trim next. Use the Alt keys to begin shortening it from the left side. Do the same on the right by selecting the layer and then selecting the Alt. This will make it shorter from the right side. See how much cleaner and more organized everything looks. No more layers extending unnecessarily. This is a huge time saver. Keep repeating the process for the rest of your layers, moving your playhead through each layer while trimming. Quick tip, let's mention project management. Make sure to remove any media that isn't necessary for your final composition. This also helps keep things from getting messy. Just select the elements and get rid of them. You don't need them. By using the trim method and keeping your project tidy, you'll work like a total pro. You now have the tools to edit more efficiently and get those projects done. So go out there and rock it.